Hi everybody, my name is Paul Kohler with Journey to Kuakoa, and you probably also know me from sailing Kuakoa. This channel, Journey to Kuakoa, Kuakoa in Hawaiian means freedom. So I'm literally trying to be sailing my boat called Freedom, or Kuakoa in Hawaii, Freedom in Hawaiian, which is Kuakoa, blah, blah, blah. The point is this year needed to be different than last year. And this video is the start of that process in making every year better. Everything that I've been doing for the past several years with photography and real estate has been to be able to free myself up to achieve my goals. Like Robert here, I had started out in the car business many, many years ago. I was originally in the car business, when I was 21 with a kid on the way, and I didn't have any idea how to do it. And I went on the car lot, and I shook the hand of the guy who introduced me, or the salesman, and he said, how can I help you today? And I said, it's not how you can help me, it's how I can help you, because I'm the next best car salesman on this lot, and I need to talk to your manager so I can let him know what he's got. And he was this older black gentleman, and he was awesome, and he was the current top salesman at the dealership, and he laughed at me because I was this little stupid kid, had literally no clue of what was going to happen next. But I did get in, and I did sell 18 cars my first month, and I was the top salesman of the dealership that month. So I did bring it. I brought the heat, and then I learned a lot. I got my butt kicked. Yeah.
More cars than I ever sold in a month.
I got my butt kicked after that. And I went through life, and now here I am. So I had gone through so many years, though, of working till 11 o'clock on a car dealer lot, or working for somebody else. I've even owned my own businesses, but I've always sat in front of my computer screen wanting to sail around the world, and I know that the only way to be able to accomplish that is to actually create wealth, and wealth is generated when you're not working at it. So this journey to Kuakoa for me has to be able to generate wealth. And that's why I'm sitting here with Robert, because one of the best ways to generate wealth is through real estate. And even though I have owned a brokerage in the past, and I've been a realtor in the past, I did do a house flip from the mortgage side of it. Was fun. I won't even get there. But that landed in my lap just because I was always talking to people who were having issues, and I haven't been there. And so I wanted to connect with Robert because I'm a real estate photographer, and he's one of my clients in real estate photography. I actually shot this house for him, which is one of his flips. And he does flips, and he's got investors. And I thought, what a great way for sailing Kuakoa, or well, in this case, for Journey to Kuakoa, to be able to get started. He can tell you how he does his stuff. I can learn from it. We can make videos for both my real estate, we can make videos for both the real estate business and for how to make more money, how to build and generate wealth. I can share that with you. And the point is, I know that I need more avenues to be able to generate wealth. I'm sure you're looking for ways of multiple streams. And this is that process. And I want to be able to bring that value to you of showing you how to do it, and not just talking about, not just saying, okay, so you can make money through real estate. Everybody knows you can make money through real estate, but how do you do it? I'm smart enough. I have enough experience to know that I should not go out and structure a deal without knowing the ins and outs.
We want to walk you through the next deal that I do. So I'm out house shopping right now as we speak, and on the next purchase that I make and the next deal that I put under contract, we want to get that all on video for you and for this channel, so that you guys can see what it's like, first-hand basis, third person, and you can basically do it vicariously through us and flip a house with us. So yeah, Paul is going to bring you the heat. I'm gonna bring the heat, and we're gonna give you guys some fire content, and you guys are gonna love what we have in store. So stay tuned.
So you want to be sure to check out Robert's channel also. His channel is I Flip Houses.
I Flip Real Estate.
I'm sorry.
I Flip Real Estate is my channel. Yeah, I already looked it up, so I know I'll be the only I Flip Real Estate on there.
So he's I Flip Real Estate, so make sure you go like, share, and subscribe. If you like the content that's created here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It's one of the best ways that you can help the channel out is through the share and the like button. And then also, if there are details about the house flipping process or wealth building that you want me to discuss or do in-depth videos about, be sure to comment below. It makes it easier for me to be able to deliver the content that you're looking for. And
you can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. So on Facebook, I'm just Robert Edward Lunt, that's L-U-N-T, and then I'm the real Robert Lunt on Instagram, and you can follow me there.
Cool. So right now we are sitting in a flip.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. And
we are sitting in a nice flip. A nice one. There's about a $75,000 profit in this flip that I got from a probate sale, and it actually came through a wholesaler. So the wholesaler got it from a probate seller, and they had done 75% of the remodel, and then just got exhausted and got screwed over by a contractor. Then the wholesaler found them through his marketing sources, of which I can teach you about too, and then he in turn marketed it to me where he found me on social media, because I always put my content out there, and I was able to acquire this deal from him, come in, put the finishing touches on it, and now list it on the market for a hefty profit. So it's a really good deal. Waterfront property in Gibsonton, Florida, southern tip, well actually northern tip of Tampa Bay, pretty close to downtown. You can almost hit a golf ball to Tom Brady's old house from here, actually. So that's how exclusive this property is. Very nice property, good deal. As you can see, I got it like this, with these brand new kitchen cabinets, these granite countertops already installed. All I had to do was add the appliances, a couple extra lights, and touch up some paint. It was already painted like this and everything. It was an excellent deal, and I can teach you how to find these deals too.
yeah, so what we want to do is, like I said, I've got experience in real estate, but I also know how fast you can lose money in real estate if you're not sharp with what's happening. And I wanted to be able to use Robert's experience to my benefit. I want to add value to him through creating videos, because that's what my profession is videography and photography. And I wanted to be able to go step by step in the video process. So the next video is going to be about how we start out looking for that property, the types of things that you need to identify in a property, things to run away from, things that won't happen. We'll go through in the series how to find the investors, everything that you need to know. There are so many details. I'm not going to list them off right in a second. We're going to go through all of those details. And if you have questions of specific details you want to know, like I said, make sure that you comment below so we know to address them in the future videos. And yeah, I wish that it was easy for me to find that stuff, but it seems like everybody they want to sell you a $35,000 mentorship.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you know, I lost $30,000 on a deal this year. I'm not going to say you don't lose money in real estate, but I made $53,000, I made $27,000, I made $22,000, I made $11,000 on other deals this year. So, you know, that was the only deal over 5 years that I've lost money on, and that was, you know, I ain't gonna lie, that was due to COVID. You know, COVID took a big hit. I listed that property, and then we went right into quarantine, like I think like 3 days later, and that pretty much killed my deal. So yes, we're gonna bring you guys some content, and definitely Paul and myself, and you're gonna love what we have. And so stay subscribed, Make sure you subscribe. Like I said, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, comment below. If you have any questions, anything that you want to see from us, let us know, and we'll keep them coming.